Bioinformatics, the aim of bioinformatics, what is the scope of bioinformatics, what are the biological foundations of bioinformatics, what are the main areas of applications of bioinformatics. So this introductory section deals with all these things. So when we look at the term bioinformatics, it was actually not in the historical development, or initially bioinformatics was not used as what the meaning is now at present. The term bioinformatics was invented by Pauline Hogberg and Ben Hesper in 1978. They have developed this term as the study of informatic process in biotic system. Pauline Hogberg is a Dutch theoretical biologist and complex systems researcher studying biological systems as dynamic information processing systems at many interconnected levels. So the history actually, historically, the term bioinformatics had another meaning, but this definition placed bioinformatics as a field parallel to biochemistry and many other interdisciplinary areas. When we look at bioinformatics, we see that computers became essential in molecular biology when protein sequences became available after Frederick Sanger determined the sequence of insulin in 1950s. So after that, comparing multiple sequences manually was very much difficult and impractical without using computers. And same way, pioneer in the field was Margaret Oakley Dayhoff, who compiled one of the first protein sequence databases, initially published as books, and pioneered methods of sequence alignment and molecular evolution. So when biological data were started developing to be used in many algorithms and techniques, computers also started playing a very important role in bioinformatics. And the definition of bioinformatics, actually you can have a precise definition. If you look at the word bioinformatics, it is actually the application of computers in solving problems of molecular biology. Normally it is termed as a multidisciplinary area because it merges many different areas, not alone biology and computers, but biology, information systems, information technology, then a lot of areas like physics, chemistry, biochemistry, medicine. So all these fields merge to become bioinformatics. And two major powerhouses of modern science and technology, biology and information technology, are the primary areas of interdisciplinary importance when the term bioinformatics started gaining more importance. Bioinformatics is the systematic development and application of IT solutions to handle biological information by addressing biological data collection and warehousing, data mining, database searches, analysis and interpretation, modeling, and product design. The study how normal cellular activities are altered in different disease states. Biological data must be combined to form a comprehensive picture for all these activities. So therefore, we can say that the field of bioinformatics has evolved such that the most processing task now involves the analysis and interpretation of various types of data. Biology, data associated with the field of biology and medicine is enormous, and it requires the help of complicated servers and complicated algorithms for processing. So the first aim of bioinformatics was to store the biological data organized in form of a database. So initially, biological databases were the main concern. But then things started changing, as the second aim was to develop tools and resources that aid in the analysis of data. So once the data were stored in databases, actually there required many tools to analyze the data, the sequences mainly, and it needed such a lot of algorithms for analysis. So it was the second aim of bioinformatics. And third and most important aim of bioinformatics is to exploit these computational tools to analyze the biological data, interpret the results in biologically meaningful manner. So these are the three important aims of developing new multidisciplinary area bioinformatics. First aim was for primary storage of data. The second aim was to develop tools for just analysis alone. Then there are required many algorithms for the effective analysis of this data and interpretation of this data. What is the scope of bioinformatics? What are the career options of bioinformatics? That's a very important question associated with this new field. So the scope of bioinformatics actually we can see that it gives more importance to biology, physics, chemistry, and people from pharmaceutical area, people from medicine, agriculture, biomedical research. In almost all these fields, there are tremendous scope for bioinformatics to be developed. And similarly, so the career options, what are the career options? So bioinformatics is a rapidly growing career field and an emerging scientific discipline. So we need we need people employing in different bioinformatics resources, mainly web-based programs and databases. And other career opportunities are scientific curator, gene analyst, protein analyst, phylogenetics, research scientist, associate, database programmer, etc. There are a lot of career options for biology, for people from biology, people from computer science, people from chemistry, mathematics, statistics. So for all these human resources are required in the field of bioinformatics. What are the areas of applications of bioinformatics is a very important questions to be faced with. And in bioinformatics can be applied for developing alternative energy sources. It can be used in molecular medicine, especially for in personalized medicine, for development of drugs, for forensic analysis, for crop improvement, for gene therapy, for veterinary science, for bioweapon creation, biotechnology, and microbial genome applications. So there are many areas of applications for bioinformatics. Now, the basic biological foundations of bioinformatics, or what are the biological terms that normally bioinformatics are to deal with. So the biological foundations of bioinformatics are primary the cell, and then we have the nucleic acids, DNA, RNA, and the associated bases, nitrogen bases, proteins, amino acids, the genetic information, coding of genetic information, genomics, proteomics, etc. So these are the basic biological foundations of bioinformatics. So we have seen that in experimental micromolecular biology, bioinformatics techniques such as image signal processing allow extraction of useful results from large amounts of raw data. So bioinformatics actually can be used for studying system biology, structural biology, simulation and modeling of RNA, DNA, proteins, for drug design, and analysis of the sequences, amino acid sequences, protein domains, protein structures, development and implementation of computer programs which enable efficient access to various biological information. And ultimately there are a lot of algorithms developed in the field of bioinformatics, including sequence alignment, um, drug design, and lot of tools for visualization purpose. So the main areas of computer science like pattern recognition, data mining, machine learning, visualization, etc. So these algorithms can be effectively utilized in the field of biology, molecular biology especially, like sequence alignment, gene finding, genome assembly, etc. So bioinformatics actually has lot of scope in all these associated fields, since it is a multidisciplinary area of application. So we have seen in this session the important definition and the etymology of bioinformatics, the term bioinformatics, and the scope and foundations, basic foundations of biological foundations of bioinformatics have been discussed in this section.